Another fine vehicle offered by Parkland Auto Center.
This dependable 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche has 66,499 miles. This vehicle has a powerful 8.1-liter V8 engine, a reliable automatic transmission, and the off-road capability of four-wheel drive. This four-door cab has the following special features: alloy wheels and tinted glass. For your comfort and convenience, this vehicle also has air conditioning, dual-zone climate control, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive.
Parkland Auto Center is located at 12918 Pacific Avenue South in Tacoma. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.